Hey there fella, today's gonna be another video. That's so weird. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can tell by the title, I accidentally bought a car. For people that are wondering, how do you accidentally buy a car? I'm actually an expert in accidentally buying cars. This is my second car I've bought accidentally. So yeah, so let me go show you and then I'll tell you how I did that. Alright, so this right here is the car. Oh, the sun is so bright. This is the car right here, as you can see. It's actually quite significantly banged up. And you know what? I'm gonna fix it. You know why? Because I don't really have a choice. Okay, so the story of how I actually bought this car. Basically, I was online on an auction site and I was just looking through cars to maybe buy a car. And I saw this car and I was like, whoa, that's really cool. Has coilovers, maybe. And I didn't know like what brand they were or anything like that. I completely forgot how many Ks. I did not look at the damage properly and I was like, I probably won't buy it. So the bid at the time was like 300 or something. I was like, okay, well, I'll put 500 and see what happens, you know? I really did not think I was gonna buy it, and the next day, because this was on the last day of the auctions, the next day I got this email on my account when I was going to sleep. I was just checking my emails and it's like, oh, you won the auction. I was like, fuck no! I knew exactly what I did. So yeah, now we're here with this car and right now it does not start. Oh, I didn't even grab the keys, but I'll get the keys and we'll start it. I don't think it was gonna start. It didn't start when the tow truck driver dropped it off, but I have a solution for that. Alright, so I got the key. So let's start it and see what happens. Does not start, but you know what? I have a solution for that. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. Woo! Also, this is the Costco special. It was very, 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 very cheap. Alright. Okay, now I have, oh, that's so zoom. Okay, now guess what? I think it might actually start, so let's hope it starts, alright? Okay. Moment of truth. Get fucked. Ready? We have lights. Oh, look at that dance! Ready? Touch in. Oh, it started. Oh my god, look at that! Full tank of petrol. Basically, almost close to a full tank of petrol. I'm happy with that. It starts. Doesn't make any weird noises. So you know what? Gonna pull into the garage and then we'll fix all the rest. Okay, so let me show you some of the things that like are really good about this car because I don't know, I basically made my money back because of this. Okay, BC coilovers, right? Golds, so they're decently priced. And this tire, all 4 tires, Bristol Potenza RE003s, all around. They're not a cheap tire, and they're pretty good for the racetrack. So you know what? Might have to do some racetracks with this car. And what else? Okay, so here, I need to replace this radiator hose and move the radiator forward. Hopefully, the radiator isn't cracked, and if it's not cracked, wow, that's pretty good. Also, look at this hinge is just a little bit fried. That's what happened when you hit it. This car must have hit someone in the rear, because the front bumper's not that bad. I mean, I feel like I'll just repaint it and it'll be good. That's the new bonnet. I'm gonna chuck that on today as well. And you know what, also, you wanna see something cool? That's the grill that was on the car in the back. It's a little, how you going? And got some plates as well. This car might be registered as well. Oh my god, that's so cool. I don't know, is it registered? Is it registered already? Or do I need to fix it and then cut it and then you can, you know, it'll be registered? But if you understand what I'm saying, it's registered. Okay, what you're about to see is exactly how professionals do it. Almost there. Don't need this. I don't know what to do. I'm actually struggling so much trying to get this headlight out, like, I don't know what to do. I don't know why it's not coming out. I really do not. Don't know. I need to move this forward more. I need to get this light out first. Okay, I'm gonna phone a friend because I have no idea what to do. Hello? Not much, I can't get this headlight out. Oh, I just kind of broke. I just broke this tab. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Cameron. So I did that. Hello. How good. Okay, now my next professional way of fixing the framing at the front, instead of just, you know, replacing it completely, is to use one of these. And how are you wondering? Have a look. Oh. Okay, so now that I have the headlight positioned, so for all the people that are wondering if this is good or not, I'm literally just doing this so I can actually drive the car around and everything. And once I've ordered the parts, I will get a whole new front radiator support that I'll take this one off and I'll put a new one on, and then everything will line up perfectly. Because like right now, as you can see, this headlight is not 100% flush with the car. The bumper's not sitting right, and this bracket right there is supposed to line up with this bracket, which is just completely scrunched. See here, when I push that in, see how perfectly everything lines up? It's not happening on this side. We've got this giant ass fucking ugly gap. But that's just for now. Alright? So now what I want to do is, I'm going to bolt this here, and I'm going to put the hood down, bolt the new hood up, and see how we go. Ready? Didn't match. Here we go, mate. See how easy that was? Pull that shit forward and it locks up perfectly, see? Right. Now I just gotta tighten up that button there. Button. Okay, I should stop weird laughing like that. Bolt this in and we're good to go, man. Now let's see what it looks like. Not bad, not bad. It looks okay. It looks okay. It kind of looks okay. You have to admit, it kind of looks okay, no? Let's be honest. It looks okay. It doesn't look that bad. See? It's really not that bad. It's. Oh my god, I'm so black. It's not that bad. It's okay. Also, I see like an old neighbor that's at the bottom of the street. I hope she doesn't come say hello to me. Okay, no, they're not. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I'm genuinely like impressed or happy, you could say. Okay, let's put the plates on. Let's go fill up some air in these tires because my air compressor's not here at the moment, so I'm gonna have to go to the servo. Alright, go. Looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm on Maiden Drive, okay, to my local 7-Eleven, and look, the temps are, you can't see it, can you see it now? Temps are perfectly fine, the car literally revs perfectly, it's all so good, and the music kind of, I don't know, it's okay, but I'm just going to fill up some air on the tires and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so basically, that's from the last clip you saw, the car's basically done, and the next video is going to be on me replacing the front radiator thing and painting the bonnet and the bumper and getting everything like nice and tidy, but for now at least I'm able to drive. And yeah, so that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you guys want to like keep up to date with what's going to happen with the car and whatnot, you can subscribe and hit the notification thing so you know when I post and stuff, and follow my Instagram please, Romail_W, ROMAIL_W. That's it, easy as, and then you'll keep up to date with all these things. And I don't know, if you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching, and comment, subscribe, like, stuff like that. Okay, thanks for watching, bye. Also, while I was filming that, those people were passing, it was really awkward. I don't know if you guys can see them, they're just there behind. Oh, that was so awkward. Thank you for watching guys, hope you enjoyed, bye.